Can I lay by your side next to you? And make sure you're alright. I'll take care of you. Now don't want to be here if I can't be with you tonight. I'm reaching out to you. Can you hear my call?